One day in October, neither drunken nor sober, on Broadwood down I was making my way, when I heard of some ringing, some dancing and singing. I ought to remember that Jubilee day. 'Twas in Ashwater town, but the bells they did sound. They rang for a belt and a hat placed with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, and never was better in Devon, I hold. 'Twas misunderstood by the men of Broadwood, gave a blow on the tenor that never ought to been. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, that a difficult matter to beat them would have been. 'Twas in Ashwater town, with the bells they did sound. They rang for a belt and a hat laced with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, and never was better in Devon, I hold. They of Broadwood being naughty, they said to our party, we'll give you a challenge again in a round. We'll give you a chance at St Stephen, Barlangston, the prize for the winner, a note of £5. 'Twas in Callington town that the bells they did sound. They rang for a belt and a hat laced with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, that never was better in Devon, I hold. When the matchup came on in good Callington, the bells they rang out o'er the valleys below. Both old and young people, the hale and the feeble, they came out to hear the sweet bell music flow. 'Twas in Callington town that the bells they did sound. They rang for a belt and a hat laced with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, and never was better in Devon, I hold. Those of Broadwood once more were obliged to give, or they were beaten completely and done in a round. For the men of Northerloo pulled so steady and true, no better than them in the west could be found. 'Twas in Broadwater town, then in Callington town, they rang for a belt and a hat laced with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, and never was better in Devon, I hold. Was in Ashwater town, then in Callington town, they rang for a belt and a hat laced with gold. But the men of Northerloo rang so steady and true, that never was better in Devon, I hold.